Salmon Thai Curry, a favorite and easy weeknight dinner that will blow your mind.
Let's get the ball rolling by cutting up some vegetables, starting with the bok choy. For all those that never cut up bok choy or know what bok choy looks like, this is bok choy. Bok choy, saying hello. What is bok choy?
Bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage that is actually pretty healthy for you, with it even being considered a superfood, which is kind of a buzzword, but with bok choy it fits. Another great vegetable in this recipe is shallots that we will be dicing up. They will give this dish some sweetness without being too sharp in flavor. I actually usually prefer them over Spanish onions. We will also need some fresh herbs as well, going with some regular basil and parsley. You can use some Thai basil if you have some available, but it is pretty different in flavor profile, so be careful, you rascal. Parsley is a herb that I feel loses all flavor when it's dried, so I often say that it being fresh is crucial. The preparation is going great, and it's a weeknight dinner that once you memorize the steps can become a go-to meal. The minced garlic and ginger root are great enhancers to take this dish to the next level. We continue on by preparing a red bell pepper to add some acidity before getting to work on our salmon. I went with about a pound of Atlantic salmon that I will be slicing into near identical fillets. Seasoning our fishy friends here will be the most important step of the recipe. This step is also where your creativity can come into play, but if you just want simplicity, you can go with a combination of ingredients such as smoked paprika, oil, salt, garlic powder, etc. Introduce the fillets to a hot pan. You'll want to cook the salmon skin side down, as it is way more heat resistant. However, my fiance likes salmon a little overcooked and doesn't care for the skin in general, so I abandoned that logic in this video. Do as I say, not what I do. Once the salmon is done cooking, remove it and then add your prepared veggies to the same pan except the bell pepper. This way they can all roast in the fish fat. The shallots should become translucent and absorb a lot of the fat as it cooks. The mixture of garlic and ginger will have your kitchen smelling like a world-class restaurant, just exploding with flavor. Especially when you add in some additional spices like curry powder, ground coriander, and red curry paste. I like to add in some tomato paste as well to help with controlling the consistency of the curry later on, plus the added flavor is appreciated. With everything combined, we can now add in our remaining ingredients, starting with our diced pepper. Followed up by our chopped bok choy. It's kind of beautiful to look at with the contrasting difference in colors. Give it all a good stir and then add a little water to get some steam going. It's now time to add in some coconut milk to give this combination that classic curry flavor. Bring it all to a simmer and control the consistency with the heat and a little extra water if you need to. At this point, we can add in our prepared basil and then top it all with our cooked fillets. And there you have it, a gorgeous and easy salmon Thai curry.
This turned out looking really well. I'm just gonna sprinkle some cilantro with lime juice on this and I'm gonna dive in.
The cilantro and lime juice will give each bite some additional sharpness and make it all more memorable. Overall, it's just a delicious meal.
Out of this world. Out of this world. I'm probably gonna cook up some rice, some jasmine rice most likely.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more.